It's sad because for me, the Carfu is where I was born.
Hmm.
Like that place is where most of the gangs are. Like
Yeah,
sometimes I just say to myself, man, if my dad didn't put me in the orphanage, I would have grew up in Carfu and I would probably be one of the gangs. It
yeah.
depends, you
And
know?
yes, so without cutting you off, that's another thing. That's such a great point. The gang gets so big. Why? It's because there are so many kids just sitting around doing nothing. Those same
Doing
kids that I
nothing.
saw on the street just sniffing paint thinner to get high, there's nothing else better. So you mean to tell me some kid is just sitting there hungry, just completely just starving, no clothes, nowhere to live. Some gang comes up to him, some gang leader say like, hey, I'll not only pay you, I give you power. You protect me. And when I tell you to go kill, you go kill. You don't have to worry about food or a place to live. And are you kidding me? That's as grim as that sound to us. Just, hey, I don't want to go kill people. But at the same time, what's the alternative? So the
I went
government, you don't give them any options. You should be in
no,
school, not killing people.
no, I went to Haiti a year and a half ago and I was going to my place and I it's sad because like I bought my ticket, wait till the day before my flight and I called a friend of mine. I was like, "Hey, I have a friend coming tomorrow. Can you pick him up at the airport?" And he was like, "What's his name?" And then I just gave him some random name. And then he showed up at the airport with a piece of paper, like waiting for, like, I said, John. So
Mm-hmm.
he was waiting for John. Like, I was trying to, like, because you don't know who to trust, you know?
Exactly. Yeah.
Like, I just didn't want my friend to tell another friend, "Hey, I'm going to pick up Isaac at the airport."
And then, people
That's
don't like you or they want to
yeah,
steal from
yeah,
you. And
yeah.
yeah.
It's like you just never know. And then when he saw me at the airport, he was shocked. And then he was like, "Where we going?" I said, "We're going to Akaya."
Hmm.
On the way there, but I didn't go to Akaya with my stuff. I left it somewhere in Port-au-Prince with another friend. I only had to carry on.
Hmm.
And then I just took like a few clothes, put them in a backpack, put my flip-flops on and look dirty and just
Yeah.
get on a
Blend in. You're
car and
trying to
then
blend in.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then on the way there, our car actually got stopped. It wasn't by adults. It
Police
was
officers.
kids.
Oh,
No, I
kids.
wish it
Mm.
was police
Well,
officers.
sometimes
It
there are
was like,
corrupt police officers just trying to get some money from you too. Wow, kids.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah, but this time it was like 12-year-olds, 14-year-olds. I was just looking at them. They were
With guns.
talking to the driver before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nuts, bro. See,
They were
that's exactly
talking
what
to
I'm
the
talking about.
driver.
Yeah.
They're like, "Where you going?" And the driver said where he was going, and then they asked the driver to pay a fee, and then he just pay, and then they just look at me, and I just look at them. It was sad, and then like, "God, you can go."
Man, that's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Those kids, they don't want to do this. They don't want to be killing people, but they got to gain their stripes. They got to do what they got to do to be a part of that new life. And all that is, well, is the number one thing in a country like that, in a third world country, the number one culprit is the government. And then if the government was good, the infrastructure was there, school and everything was provided for their jobs, and the kid, went to do gang related activities, then perhaps that's the parents, lack of parenting. But there's nothing. There's nothing in Haiti.